The Douglas College Library is now open for individuals studying or computer space. To book your space, go to library.douglascollege.ca/seats or go to the library homepage. Bookings can be made up to 1 week in advance. On the bookings page, select your location. Choose the date that you want. Bookings can be made from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Choose the type of seat that you want. Both campuses also provide accessibility seating. Choose the time that works best for you, but only the green boxes are available. You can use the drop-down bar to either lengthen or shorten your time. Bookings can be made for up to 5 hours per day. Once you're done, click Submit Times. On the booking details page, hit Continue, then fill out your first name and last name, including your Douglas College email address. Hit Submit My Booking. A confirmation email will be sent to your Douglas College email account. Use this email to check in when you arrive. You may check in up to 30 minutes in advance of your booked time slot. Once you arrive at the library, please show the library staff your confirmation email. Note that bookings will be canceled 30 minutes after the booked time if you do not check in. Don't forget to check out once you're done using the space. Please note that masks are mandatory in the library. For now, photocopies will not be available and food will not be allowed. However, covered beverages are welcome. Should you require any technical help, please email either Students Helping Students or See It.